How's everybody doing today? It's the 21st of December, and you know what that means? Shortest day of the year. So tomorrow's gonna be a longer day, with more sunlight, which is exciting because these long nights are so sad. Makes me want to go to bed at 6 o'clock when it gets dark so early. Anyways, just want to show you what happened yesterday. Didn't film because it was a pretty busy day, but as you can see, we got some more hay delivered. And there's some more over there. We got some put away yesterday, but as always on the homestead, things always go sideways for us. And tractor was doing really well, but after the 10th bale into the shed, the air started leaking out of the stem there. So now we have a flat tire, and we need to get this hay into the barn and other shed. So we are headed down to the tire store, I think, to see if we can get something to replace the stem or valve or whatever. I think it's easier to take the tire off, but Kristen's dad thinks it's probably faster just to go get a stem remover, which is probably gonna be more fiddly for me because I have no idea what I'm doing with that. But anyways, that's what's gonna happen. So that's today's adventure. And we got some straw as well yesterday for bedding for the cows and goats, so they have a warm place to sleep. And here's Stella. Hi Stella. Say hi to everybody. So we'll take you down, show you the cow shelter and the hay. Hello goaties. Sounds like they're in heat. The goats, they're calling for the boys. We need to breed them sometime next week if we get time, hopefully. But here's the cow shelter here. I'll just hop on over there quickly and show you inside. I was actually going to show you putting the hay in, or sorry, the straw in last night, but by the time I got over, the cows had already ripped apart the one bale and did have to work. This is Martha here. Hi Martha. You enjoying the sun? Yeah. Or maybe that's Daisy. I can't tell. They both look the same now. But anyways, we put a nice big thick bedding down here, so that would be nice and warm for them. And we got 3 bales or 4 bales, so we'll have some for the rest of the winter if it gets packed down. Shelter turned out really well. That's Martha. They both look so similar. So that's another project we did last night. I was doing that in the dark because they were starting to tear it apart. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead to the tire store quickly and we'll show you just working on the tire and hopefully get the rest of the straw and hay in the barn tonight, or today I mean, so that we can get on to other projects. Back, we got the valve stem remover and some new valve stems, so we're gonna attempt to fix this quickly. Hopefully it's an easy fix, and we can get our hay in the storage sheds so snow doesn't get on it. So I'm gonna wait till Kristen gets here and see if we can tag team this quickly. Alright, so actually I'll probably just do it myself. We can stick it in here. Here's like it just catches. And then you just spin it, I think. Oh, here we go. It looks like it's coming out. So I think it's probably going to be easier than I thought it was. Alright, got that taken out. So we'll pop out the new one here. Comes a package of 5, which is nice. So I guess we just stick it back in like this. Okay, it feels like that's in quick. That's in there. I'm just gonna try to reseed the threads here because I wrecked the threads before. Okay. Okay, I'll pop the air compressor on. We'll start pumping it up. Now for the long process of pumping the tire up. These tire tractors take quite a bit of air. It's pretty easy. It's like $8 for all the parts we needed, so it's a nice, quick, easy fix. Nope. It's definitely not what it was. It's still leaking. Feels like it's coming. Yeah, it's coming from. I don't even know where it's coming from. It's coming like from in here, I think. Well, I don't even know how to take the stem out because I tried pulling it out earlier on and I couldn't get it. Okay, you can see Kristen's been busy working away here, getting the hay bales down there. We actually had to hire some guy, a mobile tire service, to come fix the tractor tire. It wasn't the seat, it was actually the valve in his tube. So we had to take the whole thing off, take it to the shop, replace the tube, bring it back. Luckily, the tire repair shop is like literally 30 seconds down the road, so it worked out well. So I'm gonna jump on the four-wheeler, take some of the pallets down to the barn down there so she can keep stocking. And it looks like there's probably about 15 more to go. I think there's 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, maybe closer to 20. But hopefully she gets her done quick. And then I'll go down and help her. In the meantime, I had to run to the hardware store to get some bolts for our greenhouse because the kit was missing a few pieces and didn't come with enough bolts that were long enough. And I can't seem to find the bolts I need anywhere that are long enough around here to put the door together. So that's going to be a challenge because I was hoping to have it all done today and then we could bolt it down and get the wrap on. Anyways, here comes Kristen on the tractor. Tractor in the way. Oh, under pressure. It's a little tricky. Okay, I'm gonna grab the four-wheeler while she gets that going and we'll head down and take some pallets down to her. are the hay bales down here now. Coming along nicely. They'll probably be stacked pretty far out. I try to get them just all the way down to one side so it's easier to get in because our neighbor parks his bucket truck here. Oh, I lost a pallet apparently.